Okay, so now we are going to learn about the pronotonic. Pronotonic means stressed pronoun. Like you are emphasizing on something. Like I are you talking to me? Okay, I'm emphasizing. Are you talking about him? Okay. So such kind of things when you emphasizing something, we use the pronotonic. It's called as an stressed pronoun as well. Okay. So we already know about the subject pronouns. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, plural. Okay. We already know about the subject pronouns. Now let's learn the pronotonic of that subject pronouns. Okay. It's a pronotonic, which means is a pronoun. Okay. So that's why. So je, which means I. Okay. Je, if you want to stress on something, emphasizing on something, then you will use moi. Moi, moi, which means me. Okay. Moi. You will change into toi, which means you. Toi, il, which means he or it. Lui, lui, him. Elle, she and it. Elle, her. Nous will become nous, which means us. Vous will be vous, which means you. Il, plural il, will be ye, ye, them, third person masculine singular, or third person masculine plural. Okay. L, third person feminine plural will be L, which means them. Okay. Moi, me, toi, you, lui, him, elle, her, nous, us, vous, you, ye, them, elle, them. Okay. These are the pronotonic, or you can say then stress pronoun. Why do we use it? When we want to emphasize on something. Okay. Are you talking to me? This is for me. This is for her. Such kind of sentences. Like when you want to emphasize on something, when you want to put stress on something.